Thailand has recently implemented and announced several updates to its visa policies effective from mid-2024 and extended to 2025. Here's the breakdown. Number 1, visa exemption extension. As of July 15, 2024, nationals from 93 countries, that includes the U.S., and territories are eligible for visa-free entry into Thailand. The permitted stay has been extended from 30 days to 60 days with the possibility of another 30-day extension upon application at Thai immigration. So that means, you guys, you get 60 days off top and you can even get an additional 30 days before you have to leave. But at some point, you gotta leave. Number 2, introduction of the electronic travel authorization, ETA. Starting December 2024, Thailand will start an electronic travel authorization, ETA, system for visa-exempt visitors. By June 2025, this system will be mandatory for people from the 93 visa-exempt countries entering Thailand by land, air, or sea. So they basically saying it's starting in December, but by June, everybody has to do it, as of now. Applications will be processed online and there will be no fee associated with the application. Number 3, Destination Thailand Visa, the DTV visa everybody's talking about. Thailand has introduced the Destination Thailand Visa, DTV, to attract remote workers, digital nomads, and participants in specific activities such as Muay Thai courses, Thai cooking classes, and medical treatment. This visa allows for a stay up to 5 years with multiple entry and the possibility of a 180-day extension. Applicants must demonstrate financial stability, including proof of funds amounting to no less than 500,000 baht for the duration of their stay. So 500,000 baht is equivalent to like $14,000. Number 4, permanent visa-free entry for Chinese visitors. This doesn't really apply to a lot of us, but for Chinese people, starting March 4th, Thailand entered a permanent visa-free entry for Chinese visitors. Number 5, retirement visas. Thailand continues to offer retirement visas for individuals aged 50 and up. Applicants must meet specific financial requirements, including a monthly income of at least 65,000 baht or $1,900 US, or a deposit of 800,000 baht in a Thai bank account, which is roughly $24,000. These visas prohibit employment and require regular immigration check-ins. This means you can't get a job and you have to check in with the visa department every 3 months, unless you leave the country. If you leave the country, the 3 months automatically resets itself. For example, if I get my retirement visa on January 1st, that means I don't have to check in to Thai immigration till March 31st. If I travel in between that time, let's say I leave March 1st, a month before my visa is up and I have to check in, when I leave and I come back, it automatically resets itself for another 90 days. So when I come back March 15th, now instead of have to come back March 31st, I come back 90 days from March 15th, which would be around June 15th. Does that make sense? Tired of fighting with your girl? Tired of dealing with the same stuck-up women when you go out in the States? Tired of these fake-ass IG models begging for cash apps? Fellas, I'm here to tell you, you don't have to settle. The women in Pattaya outnumber the men 20-1 out here. No matter your age, your race, your height, or even your weight, they don't discriminate. They don't discriminate. Think I'm lying? Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG. Make sure to like and subscribe to all my videos. You got questions? No problem. You balling on a budget? No problem. You scared of rejection? No problem. It's impossible to fail here. Follow me on my journey as I show you why you don't have to settle. And join the family of Zoom to Thailand. Your life will never be the same. Any questions, email me, consultations, and I'll try to answer it for you. Important considerations, you guys. This is really important. Overstand. I say this all the time, you guys. I know this place is like paradise and you never want to leave once you get locked in. but overstaying in Thailand can result in fines and even jail time. It's crucial to make sure you don't overstay your visa. People come out here and don't want to leave, but you have to advise. So why don't people want to leave? Why do they want to stay here, overextend their visa, risk getting kicked out? It's because of the peace you have here, how you don't have to have your guards up all the time. They're not going to be looking for problems like in other countries where you can't even wear your watch or hold your camera out in public because you know what can happen. You might just go on a date and you know what can happen. Entry requirements. You guys should know this. Travelers must have a valid passport that's at least 6 months away from being expired. You guys, if your passport is 6 months away from being expired, you're gonna have to get it renewed anyway. So you might as well go get it renewed before you wait, because some people won't allow you in their country if your visa is less than 6 months from being expired. So you gotta have that, and you gotta have proof of onward travel, meaning like when you come to Thailand, you can't just say, I'm gonna get a one-way ticket and I promise to leave. No, you have to show an onward ticket, either going somewhere else within that 60 days or a round-trip ticket within that 60 days. Specific requirements may vary on the visa type and nationality. So that's the visa updates for 24-25. Y'all got any questions? Holla at me. And if this helps and brought value to you guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button, make sure to hit the like button, and make sure to hit your notifications.
Don't forget to subscribe for my channel.